Hi everyone, this is Aldous again. Today I'm here to show you a couple of must-have accessories if you're buying a Tesla. And this one, I got Tesla Model X, which will be coming next Monday. So that's why I have all this accessories here. This video just to show you what I have, and in following week I will have it installed and I'll show you what it will look like on the car actually. So let me show you what I have right here. Okay, so one thing you must have is a not necessarily black view, but a dash cam. So the one I have is 2-channel 4K black view DR900S, which you must have it since you are gonna have an expensive car, so you must have it. Second thing is a screen protector. I'm pretty sure you guys all use screen protector for your phone. So I have a 2-year-old, so he's gonna play in that 17-inch display. Definitely I need some protection for that. That's why I have this right here. This one right here is a cubby drawer for the, just below that 17-inch screen there's a space which is empty. So if you have this cubby drawer right there, which will be so cool to have, you can put so many things in there. All right, next one right here is it's you can see that that's a charger. It's a wireless charger for your phone. You can put on top of the cup holder, right? This one is just USB splitter. I just bought it just in case if I want to use it for a couple of other outlets. This one right here, this one is a phone holder, so you can put this on your dash and you can hold your phone if you wanted to. So I just bought it and it come handy. This one right here, this is the carbon fiber sticker that it goes on the steering wheel, which will look really good on it. Next one is this is carbon fiber sticker. This goes on top of the handle. It's not really handle, it's like a small silver thing. So if you really wanna chrome delete it, you can use this, and it's really cool. It's write Tesla on it. Next one, this one is 1x4" to 5" nut and bolt. This one I'm gonna use it to attach my license plate, so I don't have to make any holes on it. Next one, you definitely need this. This is easy pass holder. So this you need it, all right? And I show you this one is just your tube, the air valve. This one goes in your wheels, so this look really cool with the red T on it. This sticker goes on it. I have a 22-inch wheel, so the wheel center cap is black, so I'm gonna put this sticker on that. I have 4 of those. And this one is sports for your accelerator and your braking cover. It will definitely look really good on the car. Next one I have here is remote fob cover. Our fob is really good looking, but I like to keep it clean and nice with a really cool looking cover. All right, this one is a 3D not 3D, the projection light for to show the logo, so that you can underneath the car you can use that for the will project to the ground the T logo. It has T logo. This one, it's for your charger. You can attach this to the wall and you can put the charger in it, and that. This one, it's a sticker for the sill, so just it will help you not get scratching on the sill. So they all. And I have one more thing, which I have here. Come here. Here's my tool here. Alright. So I have a 2-year-old. That's what you heard in the background. So I have another one. This is all-weather mat, and this, if you need it, you can get it from Tesla. But this one is from Top Fit, I believe. It was around $100. So I will post all the links in the description, and I think all these things you must have need it. Because you want to protect your $100,000 car. you don't want to ruin. So this this is a lot of accessories. I think I spent almost $1,000 on this accessories. This is definitely $500, and the mat was the expensive piece, and rest of them I spent like total of $1,000, I think. All right, so put a comment on it if you have any questions, and also if you want to use my referral, you can use that, and I'll have that in my description too. Thank you so much for watching.